Ever wondered how train tracks are joined? Seamless tracks mean smooth rides. But how do they connect miles of steel? Meet thermite welding. It's a fiery chemical reaction. We're talking iron oxide and aluminum combining to create super hot, molten iron. That glowing, liquid metal pours directly into a mold around the rail ends, filling every gap perfectly. Once it cools, we grind it smooth, making a flawless, incredibly strong bond. Ready for action. Next time you ride the rails, remember the sparks. Pretty cool, right?